Hello, welcome to Dr. Boyson's Reality Check. Remember to subscribe on my channel and then don't forget to click on the notification so that we can send you alert as and when we load our videos on YouTube. So, Customer Relationship Management Lecture 2, we'll be dealing with information technology and CRM and many other issues. In the first lecture, we talked about, why the concept CRM was developed. We talked about, how it has evolved, who are strategically significant customers, and the purpose of CRM, all that. Now we'll be dealing with information technology and CRM. Now, technology plays a pivotal role in CRM, and technology approaches involving the use of database, data mining, and other tools in marketing can assist organizations to increase customer value and their own profitability. This type of technology can be used to keep a record of customers' names and their other details in addition to their history of buying products and services. Now, this information can be used to target customers in a personalized way and offer them specific service to meet their specific needs. So this personalized communication provides value for the customer and increases customer loyalty to the provider. So most organizations maintains a database and then be able to take records of customer, their buying trends, and in most cases, which particular product or service are they more interested in, and how much do they contribute to the total revenue of the organization. They're able to do this kind of analysis and able to ascertain the buying trends of customers so that they can send them specific information relating to what their needs are. I would say that example of such activity is the fact that phone calls and emails, mobile phone, text message, or WhatsApp services are used. So having access to customer contact details and their services or purchase preferences through database can enable organizations to alert customers when there are new products or similar alternative service or products. So this is an example of such services or products or alerts that can be sent to customers through maintenance of a certain database. When tickets are purchased online through lastminute.com, the website retains the customer details and their purchase history. The website regularly sends emails to previous customers to inform them of their similar upcoming events or special discounts. This helps to ensure that customers will continue to purchase tickets from lastminute.com in the future. So they leverage on the database to send the customer some updates so that the customer will be more informed about his or her own purchase trends, buying trends, and all that. And another example is leveraging on cookies also to kind of create some sort of alert for customers and send some information to them. So a cookie is a parcel of text sent by a server to a web browser and then sent back unchanged by the browser each time it accesses the server. So the HTTP cookies are used for authenticating, tracking, and maintaining specific information about users, such as site preferences and the content of their electronic shopping cart. So an example is the online store, like Amazon uses cookies to provide a personalized service for its customers. Amazon requires the customers to register with the service when they purchase items. When registered customers log in to Amazon at a later date, they are greeted with a welcome message which uses their name, for example, hello, Dave or John. In addition, their previous purchases are highlighted and a list of similar items that the customer may wish to purchase are also highlighted. And if customers see that you're able to maintain such information about them to remind them of some of these things, they feel cherished. They feel like the organization thinks more about them. And that's what goes to the extent of helping build a very good loyalty and also enhance customer retention. So we have another example of loyalty cards, and we are saying that the primary role of a retailer loyalty card is to gather data about customers, and this in turn leads to customer comprehension and cost insight. So example, customer retention rate at different spending levels, response rate to offers, new customer conversion rate, and where money is being wasted on circulars. I mean, these are the insights you are able to know. And so we are saying that this in turn leads to customer comprehension and cost insight, followed by appropriate marketing action and follow-up analysis. So an example is a supermarket chain like Tesco's offers loyalty cards to its customers. When customers use the loyalty cards during pay transaction for goods, details of the purchases are stored in the database, which enables Tesco's to keep track of all the purchases that their customers make. At regular intervals, Tesco sends its customers money-saving coupons by post. Regular intervals, they do that for the product that the customer have bought in the past. And the aim of this is to encourage customers to continually retain Tesco's to do their business or for repeat services. So we have a number of CRM softwares. Microsoft Dynamics is one, and there are other software, front office solutions. They are all softwares that you can use for customer relationship management. Saying that many call centers use CRM software to store all their customer details. When a customer calls, the system is used to retrieve and store information relevant to the customer by serving the customer quickly and efficiently, and also keeping all information on the customer in one place. These softwares or database is able to help organize the customer database so that you can do some sort of analysis to know the trends in customer taste and preference and what customer might even wish for. In some cases, we send more info about new product and then try to tease the customer to know if they are interested in this new product. We can go IT, that is information technology and CRM. We're also looking at face-to-face. This is also good as sometimes we go to bank and the frontliners or those who sit and interact with the client, like the information decks, they are able to see you, who you are, and maintain some sort of relationship with you. And because of that, when you go at each time, be able to remember who you are and then keep some records about you. What we are saying as a face-to-face interaction is good, but the fact of the matter is that it will prove less effective as compared to an organization maintaining a larger database, because it's very unlikely that you can keep, let's say, 100 customers database in memory. It's very difficult to do that. So even though this is good, but it doesn't help when we are dealing with volumes of customers, where we need to do some sort of analysis and all that. And the benefit of CRM are seen in these areas. We say that it reduces costs because the right things are being done for them, okay, for customers, and it also increases customer satisfaction because they are getting exactly what they want, meeting and exceeding customer expectation, and ensuring that the focus of the organization is external to the customer, ensuring that the focus of the organization is not the organization itself, but the focus is on the customer. And it also grows in numbers of customers. There's a maximization of opportunity, there's increased service, there's referrals, there's repeat service, there's the company is able to get some sort of advantage of the loyalty that they have with customers, and increased access to source of market and competitor information. It also highlighting poor operational performance. They're able to know because they get feedback from loyal customers whether they are doing well or not. And there's also the long-term profitability and sustainability, which is the overall objective. So implementing CRM, we say that when introducing or developing CRM as a strategic tool, you need to do a review of the organization current position so that you know how to leverage on the CRM. In other words, an organization, when we talk about a strategy, it has position, it has the choice, okay? And we need to know which choices the organization are making, which position the organization finds itself, okay, and how the organization intends to implement some of these things. So you need to look at the whole organizational strategy and see how you can fit CRM in there. The organization also needs to address 4 issues. And these issues stem from one, they need to ask themselves that what is our core business and how it evolves in the future. They need to also find out what form of CRM is appropriate for the organization now or in the future. And we'll also be looking at the kind of IT infrastructure that they would have to put in place, and if they need any future support from other if they need any future support for that strategy. So you look at the overall IT infrastructure, whether it could be supported because you'll be using database. Either you're going to purchase maybe a space on the cloud, or you want to maintain on-premise database. And the other question is, what vendors and partners do you need to choose? So these are the 4 key things that the organization should consider in order to address, make sure that CRM is implemented. At the strategic level, find out how to fit CRM within the whole organizational strategy. And also, you address the questions of the core, what is core to the business, and how CRM itself will evolve in the future, and what form of CRM you want to implement and now or in the future, and what kind of IT infrastructure you intend to put in place, and also which vendors and partners you would want to engage. So thank you very much for your time for the session, and then please don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Boyson's Reality Check, and also click on the notification bell so that we can send you videos as and when we come on live. Thank you so much, and meet you in the next lecture.